Developing a brand as a photographer is essential to success. Your brand is your public face, and in many instances is your client's first impression of you and your work. What does your brand say about you? Your brand can communicate what type of photography you specialize in. Do you specialize in sports, weddings, babies, or something else? What can a brand encompass? Your brand can be lots of things and include your logo, websites, and social media. Here are 7 key things to keep in mind when developing a brand. Number 1, it should reflect your personal values and style. Number 2, it should be easily recognizable. Number 3, keep your target audience in mind and cater to them. Number 4, build your online presence. And know that where you market also says a lot about you and your brand. Number 5, give your brand a kiss. Keep it simple, silly. Don't feel like you have to overdo it, and always remember to only show your best work. Number 6, the colors you choose set the mood for your business. Colors can evoke emotional connection to your brand. According to arttherapy.com, color white can symbolize purity, innocence, cleanliness, a sense of space, and neutrality. Black can symbolize authority, power, strength, and intelligence. Gray can mean neutral, timeless, and practical. Now red, on the other hand, can be very powerful. Love, romance, life, and blood. Orange is a happy color. It can mean energy, excitement, enthusiasm, and warmth. Yellow can symbolize happiness, laughter, cheery, and hunger. While green is associated with nature, is cool, growth, money, health, and harmony. Blue gives off the feeling of calmness and serenity, but can also come off as cold and uncaring, but also means loyalty and truth. Purple is associated with royalty, wealth, and sophistication. Brown is a color that can be associated with reliability, stability, and security. Pink is often associated with romance, love, gentle, and calming. Think of your favorite brand. What do their colors say about them? Does it fit? Number 7, find a mentor. Seek out help from those who have come before you. Look at those who are at the top of their game and see what they are doing. Find someone to mentor you. It's a key step in every hero's journey. Here's the last thing to keep in mind. Your logo can protect your intellectual property when used as a watermark on your images. As a photographer, this is something to keep in mind, especially during this digital age.
Thank you for watching. Now go and make your brand